Hey guys, welcome to Top End Rugby League Cards. This is a live break number 96. It's a 4-box break. Time is 2:10 in the afternoon. We are live. Sorry, it was going to be Shiny Shana's 4-box break, but she's gone to Townsville for the night for the Australian-New Zealand netball game with a few of her friends from netball. So she's having a good mummication, we'll call it. Alright, we'll copy the teams in. These are stuck with me tonight. West Tigers down the bottom, Broncos up the top. Let's randomise 5 times. 1, 2. As always, guys, if you want to trade teams, just tag me. Prior to kick-off, please. 4 and 5. Okay, we'll grab all the names. Copy. Put that back in. And there we go. So there's our teams. I'll get that list up straight away. And yeah, as I said, if you want to trade, just let me know. Alright, so time is 2:11, and I'll see you all tonight at 8. Oh, hang on, daylight savings, isn't it? We got 8 o'clock my time, so 9 o'clock Australian Eastern Standard Time. Alright guys, cheers.